Hi friends, we are back with our next vlog. Today we are at the Westin Pune, which is located in Koregaon Park. It is one highly recommended hotel if you are planning a trip to Pune. Everything was just perfect during our stay there. The lobby is grand and very well manned. In fact, that's one major highlight about the place. The sheer number of people around to help and ensure that you have a seamless experience is a contrast to most hotels that we have been to. Beginning from a super efficient check-in to a well-furnished and stocked room along with a beautiful river view. Well, we couldn't have asked for anything better. The room was fabulous with a nice bathtub and a comfortable bed. The housekeeping right through was super efficient too. We tried the option for the members lounge and I must say that it was amongst the best experiences ever at a Marriott lounge. Served in the market, the options were wide, the food was exquisite, and the service was impeccable. The poolside patio with its lighting and lounges reminded us of Goa and is a nice place for the evening snack and chai. The Westin now has the specialty lounge Asilo, and I'm sure that it would be an experience as well if you are dining without kids. The food at the market was very nice right through, and a massive call out to Meher and Surya who helped us consistently with their suggestions and service. They also have a small play area for kids that is set up during the day. We were delayed in reaching there, but the kids did enjoy the limited time they had there. Well, this is one highly recommended place if you are planning a trip to Pune. I hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and comment. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, bye.